Understand the dissociation of the starting salts. When the two highly soluble sodium salts are dissolved in water, they dissociate completely into their constituent ions. Na2PO4 gives Na to the power plus plus H2PO4 to the power negative Na2HPO4 gives 2 Na to the power plus plus HPO4 to the power 2. Calculate the concentrations of the major species in the mixture. Mixing equal volumes, 50 milliliters each, of both 1 molar solutions doubles the total volume to 100 milliliters, which halves the individual species concentrations. H2PO4 to the power negative equals 1 molar times 50 milliliters over 100 milliliters equals 0.5 molar. HPO4 to the power 2 equals 1 molar times 50 milliliters over 100 milliliters equals 0.5 molar. The total sodium ion concentration is even higher because it is released by both salts. Na to the power plus equals 1 times 50 mol plus 2 times 50 mol over 100 milliliters equals 1.5 molar. Analyze the resulting buffer equilibrium. Because H2PO4 to the power negative, a weak acid, and HPO4 to the power 2, its conjugate base, are present in high, equal concentrations, 0.5 molar, they establish a classic buffer system governed by the second acid dissociation constant. H2PO4 to the power negative is in equilibrium with H to the power plus plus HPO4 to the power 2. Quad Ka2 equals 6.3 times 10 to the power minus 8, because the concentrations of H2PO4 to the power negative and HPO4 to the power 2 are equal. The hydronium concentration, H to the power plus, is approximately equal to Ka2, 6.3 times 10 to the power minus 8 molar, yielding a pH approximately 7.2. Evaluate the third ionization step to find PO4 to the power 3. The hydrogen phosphate ion, HPO4 to the power 2, can dissociate further to form the phosphate ion, PO4 to the power 3. HPO4 to the power 2 is in equilibrium with H to the power plus plus PO4 to the power 3. Quad Ka3 equals 4.5 times 10 to the power minus 13, using the equilibrium expression for Ka3. Ka3 equals H to the power plus PO4 to the power 3 dash over HPO4 to the power 2 dash, rearranging to solve for the concentration of phosphate, PO4 to the power 3 equals Ka3 times HPO4 to the power 2 dash over H to the power plus, approximately 4.5 times 10 to the power minus 13, times 0.5 molar over 6.3 times 10 to the power negative 8 molar, approximately math 3.6 times 10 to the power minus 6 molar. Compare the magnitudes of all species. Na to the power plus equals 1.5 molar. H2PO4 to the power negative, approximately 0.5 molar. HPO4 to the power 2, approximately 0.5 molar. PO4 to the power 3, approximately 3.6 times 10 to the power minus 6 molar. Clearly, the concentration of PO4 to the power 3 is many orders of magnitude smaller than any of the other species, making option D the correct answer. The correct answer is option D, PO4 to the power 3 dash.